use math every day to predict weather, to tell time, to handle money. Math is more than formulas and equations. It's logic.
Hello there. I'm Cathy Buchanan, second grade teacher at Grant Bowler Elementary School, and I love teaching math. I love teaching math more than I ever thought I would, but I get questions all the time about it. So I'm making this introductory video. And after this video, I've made 3 more to explain all the different ways that we learn math. But right now, I want to answer the most common question I get from parents, and that is, why? Why do we teach math the way we do? Why does it have to be so different from when I was in school? Why can't they just learn to carry and borrow numbers fast and easy? Well, probably the biggest reason that we teach math differently is that the world our children live in is very different. Science, technology, and engineering have a huge part of our world, bigger than ever before. All these computers. Experts tell us that when these second graders graduate from high school, the job market will be vastly different from what it is now. Let me look at my statistic here. Some say that 60 to 80% of the jobs available in 10 years have not even been invented yet. Eric Spiegel is the president and CEO of Siemens USA, and let me read exactly what he said. Even as new professions are appearing, we know that over the next decade, 15 of the 20 fastest growing jobs in America are going to be in science, technology, engineering, or math. 15 out of 20. Wow, that's mind-boggling, isn't it? It wasn't that way when I was in school. And even now, can you think of any aspect of life that doesn't have a math component? I set out to teach my students to think like mathematicians. For instance, I want them to be able to think logically, to tackle problems and unknowns step by step, and to be able to solve problems in many different ways. I believe that these skills transfer from math to life, but this kind of practice takes months, even years. I'll tell you, in about 4th grade, after they've practiced for a long time, when they have a good grasp of numbers and how to manipulate them, we teach them what we call the algorithm, which is what you would call regrouping or carrying and borrowing. I tell the children that this is the old-fashioned way, and that they shouldn't let their parents teach it to them, and that they shouldn't use it, and I don't give them credit for solving the problem when they do it that way. The algorithm, which is the only way that most of us, including me, were taught in school for addition and subtraction, it's just one quick and easy way to record subtraction and addition. But it is nice and efficient once you already understand numbers and can explain how to do addition and subtraction. If that's the only way that you know or understand or can explain how to do addition and subtraction, then sadly, you do not think like a mathematician. Maybe by the end of the year, your second grader can teach you a thing or two. I have made these 3 more short videos to show you different ways that we use. It's not a comprehensive list. We try and find lots of different ways. But I hope that you'll have the chance to watch them and be able to use them to help your child to think like a mathematician. I hope you enjoy them and that you have a stupendous time with you and your child in math this year.